friends. It's wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog?
Shadow Man.
Don't you disrespect me, little lady.
Lady? Oh.
Don't you derogate or deride. You're in my world now, not your world. And I got friends on the other side.
He's got friends on the other side. Perhaps he knows Mother.
Yes. I can read your future. I can change it around some too. I look deep into your heart and soul. You got a soul, don't you? Make your wildest dreams come true. I got voodoo, I got hoodoo, I got things I ain't even tried. And I got friends on the other side.
He's got friends on the other side.
Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Transformation Central.
Transformation Central.
Transformation Central.
Transformation Central.
Transmogrification Central. Can you feel it? You're changing, all right. I hope you're satisfied. But if you ain't, don't blame me. You can blame my friends on the other side. I'm going to do my stuff.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the best I can. It's hopeless. You're finished. You haven't got a flare. Cause I'm Mr. Boogie Boogie. And you ain't going nowhere.
Children, take me away. I'll be needing this. Thank you. My hocus pocus party potion is complete! 'Tis time to party.
But Winnie,
You
what about them?
leave our not so scary friends to me. I put a spell on you. And now